Hello. Welcome to Data Analyst project. Start to end. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to using all KPIs. I'm going to show you step by step. You are going to become a master in data analysis, master in data science. After this course, you're going to take this portfolio. You're going to using in high tech companies, and you're going to find your dreams job. Or if you want to start up like a full stack project or any to start to making some online course to teach some kind of students or some kind of people and to earn money. So I'm going to show you. You are going to do it, and so simple and so easy. You are going to do it. Let's go to start. So today, here we created two KPIs. So now just select control. Okay, control A, control C, and control V. Okay, you select it all. Put on the center. Okay. Okay. This look good. And how about this one also? Just we are going to put on center, guys. Put on center. Okay. Like this. Then we're going to paste again. We want this one. Just to move it. Remove it from here. Okay. Just this one. Put on center. Yes. Okay. Everything is look now perfect. And now we are going to select like this. See guys, we have a filter here. We have a current year casualties, right? And then inside our current year casualties, if we put guys here, we're only going to replace this one. We not replace all. And if we put this one, it's going to be whole uh, this one. It's going to be whole page this one. And then if we put this field, it's going to be whole page. So even there is around another page, it's going to be replaced. So I don't want to do that one. So we are going to select this one, and then we have a accident severity. We're going to take put here, and then just the filter. You see guys how it's changed. And then again select this one. Again going to current year severity. Select put here, and then go to filter. Yes, it's changed. You see guys. And now we are going to change uh, title, genre. Come to here. You say current year, title, current year, title, like this. Here we're going to again current year severity. Now we are going to use serious on this one again. Current year serious. Same way. Here we're going to accident severity. Now we say slides. Again, click this one. Slides. See guys, how it's simple to create a full stack dashboard data analyze project. So this way guys, you are going to become a master in data analyze. I'm going to show you after this one course, you are going to become a master in data analyze. If guys you like and subscribe, you never miss one of my tutorials. You're going to learn so many things in data analyze project. I'm looking forward to see you on my next tutorial. Bye for now.